Fine. This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. And first, let us see what happened last week. It was a fantastic rally. Bank Nifty rallied more than 6,000 points and Nifty rallied about 1,400 points. And it is because of a very good budget. And not only very good budget, but after that, a very good result declared by State Bank of India also. Is this only India specific? No. But definitely we have done extremely well. But even without the State Bank and budget, we would have gone up because the entire global markets have gone up. And US markets clocked in the best rally since November, the last week. But our thing is very extraordinary. So that is one thing. Second thing, on Friday, the US jobs data came, which was not so good, but despite that, markets rallied in US. And that is because that has created more hope for faster stimulus bill. As expected, Friday, the US stimulus bill was taken up in US. And sometime in the month of December, I came out with a video. January 4 is a very, very important event. It's a make or break. And I said there are elections for 2 Senate seats. If both the Senate seats, Democrats have to win so that the Democrats will get 50 seats in Republican, in the Senate, Senate. They will get 50 seats so that opposition has 50 and ruling party also has 50. In that case, every bill, important bill, 50-50 tie break, the vice president will step in, will vote in favor of ruling party, so the bills will go through. For any country to have a very good bull market, the most important criteria is a stable government. That time, so many people argued with me, sir, if Democrats win, surely they will increase the corporate tax, and because of the market will crash. But what happened? On January 4, Democrats won both the Senate seats and no correction came. The markets are in fact rallying from January 4. And in fact, very good rally has seen in the last 1 month. So what happened on Friday? Exactly the same thing happened what I expected. Stimulus bill was tabled in Senate and 50 people from Republican Party, they voted against it, and 50 people from the Democrats Party, they voted in favor of it. It was a tie break. And finally, the Vice President Kamala Harris had to step in. She casted a vote in favor of Democrats and the bill has gone through. So Monday morning, the Asian markets will be reacting for this good news. But I do not know how much of this good news has already been factored in the markets. That we do not know. That we will come to know only on Monday morning. But going by the price actions all over the world, and the rally is likely to continue. So that is very important. And second thing, if you look at Indian markets, and FIIs, they were selling for a few days, but the moment the good budget came and they changed their mind, and now they started pumping in money more again. So throughout last 1 week, so they bought heavily, and that is one of the reasons for market moving very much higher. And next one is the corporate results. So there are about 20% of the Nifty 50 companies that are set to declare results next week, which include BPCL, Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, GAIL, Titan, ITC, Power Grid, ONGC, etc. And there are some good quality mid caps like Bharat Forge, Motherson Sumi, Sun TV, Berger Paints, Mahanagar Gas, IGL, Oro Pharma, PFC, MRF are also set to declare the results. And we are trading at a resistance zone around 15,000, but we are likely to consolidate for a few days, but the underlying current is very, very strong in the bull side. But next week, we can expect stock-wise movements. The index may not make very big moves, but stock-wise we can expect. So that you have seen already, when a companies come with a good results, the shares are moving violently. State Bank, last expiry, January expiry, State Bank closed at 275. And now it is how many days? Just 5-6 trading sessions, and it has gone up to 400. 275 to 400 in 6 trading sessions. So that is the kind of impact good corporate results are giving. So stock specific actions will continue in all those stocks which are set to declare the results. And economic data wise, next week there's not much of data. We will be having an index of industrial production data and consumer price inflation data, but both will come after market close on Friday. So its real impact will be seen only in the following week. Even globally also, there are not much economic data due for the release. And if you look at the open interest and Bank Nifty, there's a huge amount of put writing. That's because it has rallied more than 6,000 points in 5 trading sessions. And also, there are a lot of people showing activity at 36,000 straddle. So some people are buying both 36,000 call option and put option, and some people are selling both 36,000 call option and put option both. So short straddle. So going by this, Bank Nifty option chain may not reflect accurately. That's because on the higher side, the maximum strike available is 38,300, and probably Monday they will be opening further higher strikes. So we'll be able to do it. But going by the option prices, we can expect Nifty to take a strong support at 14,500 in the coming week, and the resistance will be, there will be a huge resistance at 15,500. So that is roughly about 500 point plus or minus from the current level. So disclaimer, so this is just my study and I may be wrong. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any position. So hope you enjoyed watching the video.